Sklearn, how we can use Sklearn for predicting my linear equation. For Sklearn, we have to go from Sklearn, import a linear model. Under linear model, we are having linear regression. It is MODEL model. So I create an instance of linear regression. Then first phase is fit. Fit is nothing but you are asking your algorithm to get trained on the given data. So I say my data is height input and I am predicting my weight. Or this is the swapping case. In a stat model we are giving output first, then we are giving input, vice versa. But here in Sklearn we have to give input first and the output. And input would be always in 2 dimension, means 2 bracket would be there even if you are in single column. So that's a prerequisite. So I say let's see the score. The score is nothing but your R square. Same 94. It is the same which I got in the case of your summary. And let's see the coefficient, which is slope. Let's see intercept, which is nothing but intercept. If you see the stat model output, if you can compare values are more or less same. Say square is almost same. Then this coefficient is 8.83. It is more or less same. The intercept is what? Negative 479. That's always same. So it is doesn't make difference whether you are using stat model or Sklearn. In both the cases you are good to go. But here we are not required to add constant and all. It is self-sufficient and more improvised. It add a constant automatically. And if you get the prediction, you will be getting the same value. Say I'll say weight. I'll say 3. I'll say this time linear regression. We are calling predict method. So we are calling 2 dimension. I'll say height and passing. See, more or less same. No variation in the output. Weight 3 is from my linear regression, and weight 2 is from our stat models, and weight 1 is again stat model equation. In here also I'm getting this equation. If you want, you can use this equation for making your output. Similarly, which we had used in the case of stat model. That's a case which is available. If you plot the same case, you will be getting the same straightforward line. Let me take this output. Let me copy this. Let me replace the values. I'll say 3 is my predicted weight. I'm not going for this 80. Straight, no variation. Even if you go for prediction, you can go for prediction. Say scatter. I'll say let me predict the 80. It's my x, and I'm calling linear regression predict method. I'll say let me pass 80 as an x. Two dimension. Then I'll say a label. I'll say test case. See, you'll be getting same output. You want to see the output, you can print the output also. Let's say let me put a print statement here. See, for 80 we are getting weight as a 227. That's an intersection value. If you extend this value here and you try to intersect here, it's 227 only. So that's a case which you can use for making your predictions.